Hello, my name is Faizan Akbar. My company name is Bristal Enterprises. My company is situated in Pakistan. Today I am going to introduce the side cutter. This side cutter is manufactured in my factory, and all the side cutter is manufactured with the high grade stainless steel. It has the box joint, and it also has the special angle. It also have the very soft and smooth grip. Now I would like to give you the demonstration that how it works. This is the very hard wire, and I will give you the demonstration that how it works. I'm going to cut the wire from the middle edge of the cutter. So you can check like this. Now I would like to cut the wire from the very upper corner of the edge. This like it. So you can see that it cut very easily. All the plier has a very nice performance, and it is very useful for the opticians, for the jewelries manufacturers, and this plier can cut the all type of the wires, like the stainless steel, like the gold, like the brass, like the silver. Even you can cut the plastic wires. So this plier is very useful and very helpful in the not only in the optical labs but also in the hand of the jewelers. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.